This How to 1 Minute will show you how to give cPanel access to other. First of all, log into your cPanel and scroll down. Under Preferences section, click on User Manager. To give your cPanel access to someone, you have to create a user account first. So click on Add User. Now enter here the user full name. And now enter here the account username. Select the domain. Enter here your email address. Now choose one of the following options. If you select the user will set the account password, then the user will receive an email with instruction on how to set the password to the email address you added earlier. And if you select set the user's password, then you set the password on behalf of the user. The password should be entered and confirmed in the appropriate text boxes. So I'm selecting here set the user's password and writing the password here. Now select here the sub accounts services. Enable web disk, and from here you can change permission to read, write or read only, and then click on create. And here we can see, and as you can see, I've successfully added a new user. Now all you have to need, just send this user username and password, then they will be able to easily access your cPanel using the user account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.